30 NYPD cadets and new officers, their careers on the line, given another temporary lifeline Tuesday by Civil Court Judge Phaedra Perry-Bond. The purpose of the hearing, to decide whether to cancel or extend a temporary restraining order won last week by the PBA, the officers' union, that prevented the NYPD from firing them for allegedly being unqualified. City Corporation Senior Counsel Marina Sokonik, quote, "Our request to cancel the TRO. Judge Perry-Bond denied. There are people's lives that are on hold here, and I'm conscious of that." In its latest court filing and during Tuesday's hearing, the city doubled down on its assertion that an inspector who was in charge of hiring at the time but has since been transferred made on his own the unauthorized decisions last year to greenlight the officers into the police academy, even after they'd failed their applications for a variety of reasons. Some of those disqualifying offenses, according to the department, include driver's license suspensions, criminal convictions, previous arrests, and job terminations. The judge to the city's attorney, quote, "But they were hired back." The city attorney responded, quote, "The NYPD is trying to fix that because this was unauthorized conduct. We are remedying the actions of one person who was not authorized." We spoke exclusively last week with one of the cadets in question. We agreed to conceal his identity.
I want to be a police officer in New York City.
Roger told us his application was denied because he admitted to his psych evaluation interviewer that he smoked marijuana several years earlier when he was a teenager. And they used that to say what about you?
That I had low stress tolerance and that I was maybe a substance abuse risk.
The judge asked, quote, "What is their status now?" The city attorney, quote, "They were hired by this one individual who didn't go through the proper process." The judge, "But they were rehired and have gone on. Some of them have made arrests." I'm not understanding your argument completely. The city attorney, "The fact that they've been working in the field does not make them qualified for the position. What if something happens? We are protecting the safety of the public. They need to apply again, take the test again. We are trying to right a wrong." The judge, "By giving them 24 hours notice?" The city attorney, "This is a difficult situation." PBA President Patrick Hendry,
"The whole method of how it was done is wrong. So we're grateful that she's going to take this case seriously."
The PBA attorney in court repeatedly shooting down the department's assertion that it was the inspector who acted unilaterally in making these decisions to bring back these officers. We repeatedly reached out to the NYPD for comment in light of this latest hearing. We did not receive a response in time for this report. In front of Civil Court in Lower Manhattan, Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.